Hello, everyone. It's really great to see you guys here, and welcome to join our 2023, the last Egg Connect in the MEA region. So today's topic, I think that is really interesting for everyone. It's now like a global tendencies in the world. So you know that in the United Nations, we have announced the 2050 net zero policy. So I think that the green energy and the renewable energy topic is what very essential in every country. So in Advantech, we have cooperated with our eco-partners, including the Microsoft, including our global partner, to arrange the total solutions such as BESS and iEMS and other different products content with the power generation, storage, distribution, and the EV topic. So today you will see a lot of experts in this webinar. I hope that you could enjoy this meeting. So let me introduce myself again. I'm Daria Wu, the sales manager in the MEA region. So it's an honor to meet you now. And I would like to highlight that we are hereby to encourage you to join our LinkedIn. The MEA link, you can scan the QR code on the screens. After that, you will receive our latest product and the latest regional news. Please follow up us and subscribe, and we're looking forward to see you there. So let's have a quick screen of our today's topic. So next one, today we'll have our expert in the Advantech Taiwan headquarters, and also our sales manager in the Turkey region, and our eco-partners in the Turkey region, the VARS Energies, to introduce our Advantech solution and the real application successful case. And don't forget, there will also be some of the lucky draw. So please pay attention till the end of this event. Okay, so the winner, the price of this lucky draw will be the ULI 414H product. So this product we will announce the password in the each section. So if you have correct all of the password, there will be total 7 passwords. And this upload to our Google form, you will have the chance to win the prize. Okay, the next latest news I would like to promote is about our IoT Academy. So if you have subscribed and logged into our IoT Academy till the middle of December this year, you'll have the chance to receive the coupon, Amazon coupon. So we will announce the winners later on. Okay, let's get it started. The first we welcome the Veronica, our expert in the Advantech headquarters product team.
Good morning. It's my pleasure to share achieving ESG net zero with ecosystem partners. I'm Veronica, Senior Director from iEMS Solution. So we all know now in the world there are so many human life and also property loss because of the GHG challenges. So now we see all from the countries they made the carbon deduction, carbon neutrality, net zero commitment to these challenges. We also see from international buyers, they commit themselves to carbon neutrality, but at the same time, they also request their supply chain to comply. And besides that, from the investors, they no longer evaluate one company from financial figure only, but also from your ESG report and also what you did in carbon deductions. So all this bring the good to ensure the planet sustainability, but at the same time actually bring a lot of challenges to enterprise in terms of cost and market and also competitiveness. So including ourselves, and also a lot of enterprise come to us to ask us how can we go to the net zero and carbon neutrality. So here I would like to share the journey. So the first step, the company, they need to know what is their carbon emission in organization and also in product. And after that, then they set the goal and the quota to reduce the carbon deduction and go to the implementation carbon deduction action. But before that, if you don't know where are the energy flow, where are the energy waste, and what are the energy critical equipments, then they don't know how to put their investment and to maximize the energy saving and carbon deduction result. So they need a tool. And then go to the carbon deduction stage. They can either apply renewable energy or energy saving actions. So they need also the solutions. And after that, they still have some balance the GHG emission, so they may need the carbon credit and also green power certificate to offset. Then at the end, they can go to the net zero or carbon neutrality. So at Advantech, we provide a solution to support the enterprise to low carbon and digitalization transformation. So from the carbon intelligent management solutions, energy intelligent management solutions, and also carbon deduction, AI controlling solutions to support customers to do the energy saving. And then for the carbon offset stage, we have the carbon credit and also green power certificate together with our ecosystem to provide them. Okay. And then to turn all the challenges into opportunity, support enterprise to retain their market and also competitiveness. Okay, so from the journey, we talk about the challenge, but actually it also means a big business potential for us, all of us. So here I show you the market size. Then we can see the carbon management till year 2026 is around $20 billion. Annual average growth rate is around 12%. And for energy management, it's around $20 billion too, but its average annual growth rate is over 16%. So all this is big opportunity for us. So here I would like to say, okay, Advantech is able to provide one-stop comprehensive total solutions. And this is one of our key differentiation because we are able to provide from carbon to energy to critical energy consumption equipment solutions compared to the market competitor who only can provide one of the solutions. And our solution at the same time satisfy the needs of management team and also operation teams. We have 6 application solutions. The first one we call enterprise. This Eco Enterprise is able to support enterprise easily to access their SBTi, IE100, and also their sustainability KPI management. For Carbon R, we help the enterprise to automatically come up with ISO 14067 and also 14064. That means organization, carbon emission, and product emission. And our EcoWatch able to support enterprise to do the KPI management, energy performance management, but also allow operation people to do the analysis to come out where are the waste and put the right action to improve the energy consumption and also reduce the carbon emission. And the last one, we have the critical equipment. We have the solution to do the AI controlling, then to create additional energy saving and reduce further the carbon deductions. And besides what I just mentioned, the coverage of our solution, and also we are not only supply the software platform. From the site equipment, we have the sensor meters. From the data acquisition, we have the gateway controllers. And we provide at the same time the private cloud and also public cloud to allow enterprise, they have the choice. Then pull the data into our application to use of that. So here I want to just show you several key functions of our overall solutions. So here is the carbon management. So you can see from this, okay, we can support the enterprise easily to come out their inventory details report and also GHG report. Just one click, then they can have the report. Next. And our solution provides standard template for customer, very easy to use. So they just have the data connected, then choose the template they want, then they can immediately use our solutions. And we, for example, for energy management, we have 4 functions, comprehensive functions from the analysis, data collection, and also from the data analysis and energy saving project management, and also the result outcome. So we have comprehensive functionality in our solutions. And also we have the auto meter reading, means the data collecting, so to reduce the manual work in the past. So this is also important for enterprise. And once there is the abnormality detected, then we have automatically send out alert and send out the job distribution, so to allow the staff to take immediate action to resolve the issue in time and to reduce the downtime and risk. So, and also our solution, we got the TUV certificate 5001. Nowadays, only international brands like Schneider and Siemens, they have this. And we are so proud. We are now one of them. We already have the 5,000 certificate now. Another new differentiation is we integrate our latest Copilot OpenAI functionality into our systems, and including our domain knowledge database built and also energy data collected. We allow the customers to have the brand new experiences and value. How? Once there is an abnormality, then we will send out an alert through the mail, and in the mail you can find a recommendation, and furthermore you can click. There is a chat bar, go to our dashboard, then we allow you to have interaction with our dashboard. You can ask the question, then he provide you the abnormality details and also give you the suggestion and solution to help you solve the issue in time or increase the energy efficiency. And so here is the same, in HVAC, in energy system, we all have these functions. Here's a video, so we can play that. Just a very short video. So you can see now there's an alert sent to your mailbox. Then you can read what is the issue and what is the recommendation. Then you can click the chat bot. Then you can see our dashboard. Then you can start to ask the question, and our chat bot, OpenAI expert, he will give you the answer response. So this is very important. We bring the brand and intelligence further to our solutions to support enterprise. So in overall, our solutions bring the value, increase the energy saving result, increase the energy management efficiency, reduce the manpower and also cost in maintenance, extend the equipment life, and increase the safety of operation. And overall, we save 20 to 50% of operation cost. So our iEMS solutions not only used in our Advantech ourselves, but also already applied to the international and also local Taiwan, so many industrial or high-tech or commercial hospital or science park customers, and with satisfied result. So here just show you the all different types of customer. They already apply our iEMS solution. And so here is some logos of our customers. So that's the end. So the last I would like to share, iEMS solutions will be your new business growth engine, because from the past you only sell the hardware, now you have the software and to provide the solution to customers, and after solution you have the maintenance business. So they will bring you long-term, reliable and profitable, stable business revenue and growth. Okay, thank you. It's my pleasure to share achieving ESG net zero.
Hello everyone, I hope you have enjoyed the previous sections about Veronica's introduction of iEMS solutions. As you know that the ecosystem is really crucial, so Advantech is cooperating with Schneider and lots of the partners to complicate and to increase our capabilities of the iEMS solution. If you would like to know more details, then we can discuss it later in the Q&A section. So next one, we would like to welcome the MTC Director from Microsoft, Daniel Tsai, to talk about the sustainability and energy saving solution. Let's welcome Daniel.
Hello everyone. My name is Daniel Tsai, and I serve as the MTC Director at Microsoft Taiwan. Today, I'd like to talk about sustainability and energy saving. This topic is of utmost importance in today's world. When we talk about sustainability, we refer to the practice of meeting our current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. On the other hand, ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance topics. While both terms are often used interchangeably, they serve different purposes. Sustainability is holistic, future-oriented, and qualitative. ESG, however, is performance-oriented, data-driven, and quantitative. When we deep dive ESG, these three pillars encompass several subtopics that are crucial for businesses and stakeholders, such as energy emissions, water management, waste recycling in the environmental part, and diversity inclusion in social, data privacy security for governance. Next, I'll describe how Microsoft Sustainability Manager addresses ESG needs. At Microsoft, we've developed the Microsoft Sustainability Manager. This tool is designed to unify data intelligence, allowing each company to monitor and manage its environmental sustainability performance effectively. No matter carbon emissions, water, and waste management, we all use the same data flow and governance framework. The next slide we will see more details about the Microsoft Sustainability Manager architecture. Microsoft Sustainability Manager is a comprehensive and extensible solution that helps you manage your organization's sustainability efforts. It automates manual processes, records, and reports emissions data accurately, and provides insights to reduce your organization's carbon footprint. Microsoft Sustainability Manager can easily integrate with any business system, breaking down data silos with a data model that removes ambiguity, such as Advantech iEMS system. We will talk it soon. Microsoft Sustainability Manager is built on the capabilities of Common Data Model, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Power Platform. You can extend the core capabilities of Microsoft Sustainability Manager by creating custom solutions with Azure and Power Platform tools. Microsoft Sustainability Manager helps you with the following goals. The first one is gain continuous visibility into your organization's emissions activities. Second is report your impact and progress in near real time. And third is collaborate with others to refine and scale sustainability initiatives. Our approach is comprehensive. From master data to analytics, we ensure that every step is geared towards achieving our sustainability goals. This end-to-end flow is the backbone of our strategy. Let's look at the process in greater detail, starting with master data. In the system, we preload unit groups and unit conversions, using the most common forms used for carbon accounting. But this isn't necessarily complete, especially if you need to do a special conversion based on what you foresee in the data. Reference data includes data types such as contractual instrument types, fuel types, or industrial process types. For example, if we want to calculate mobile combustion emissions, we need to know fuel types and vehicle types. We have included some standard definitions in the solution based on the greenhouse gas protocol, but you might have different ones. There are connectors available for reference data. The same is true for organization data. You can define the company information and facilities here, but also the mappings and the revenue to calculate the concept we call carbon intensity, based on revenue units. You can use connectors here. The libraries contain emission factors and factor mappings. The factor mappings are unique to this Microsoft solution. We'll explain that in more detail in Part 5 when we talk about calculations. In the second part of this data flow, activity data represents the operational boundaries, including everything that is in scope to track that contributes to your emissions. The emissions are calculated using activity data combined with relevant emission factors, using the profiles and models. The emissions calculations are dependent on all of the pieces of the supporting data and activities. Once you've calculated emissions, the results and insights are all generated through analytics and out-of-the-box reports and populate scorecards used to help track your reduction progress. You don't need to refresh any data. It will refresh automatically, or push data to analytics. As we add capabilities, this map will continue to grow. With the Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability, organizations can transform data insights into actionable steps. This not only reduces environmental impact but also adds business value. Let's talk a bit about how this works. We take our strengths at bringing together disparate data from all sources, aggregating in a data foundational layer, fabric, on top of our sustainable cloud services in Azure. On top of that strong foundation, we are now bringing our ESG expertise with specific products and data models that enable ESG data capture, calculation, and reporting. We tie that together with our strong offerings on business intelligence and applications, including Power BI, to deliver easy-to-use data visualizations that track trends, areas of opportunity and challenge, and insights to prompt different interventions and behaviors. These dashboards and insights delivered with AI help achieve reporting, reduction, and transformation. We are introducing a new compliance module in Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability, built on the MPCM framework. This module enhances our existing solutions, focusing on carbon emissions, including Scope 3 categories and supplier engagement, water management, and waste reduction. The centerpiece of this new module is the Data Manager for Sustainability, which enables the creation of common data patterns across our diverse customer base. It empowers organizations to build their ESG data estate in Azure, providing data models, data integration templates, and Power BI reports. Expanding beyond environmental factors, we are adding social and governance aspects to the Data Manager for Sustainability, ensuring comprehensive ESG coverage. Integration with third-party systems is a critical part of this module, particularly for social and governance data. We offer a choice between custom builds and utilizing Microsoft Purview, following a similar approach as with GDPR compliance. The module provides assessment templates for CSRD, Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, and is designed to adapt to future regulatory frameworks such as SEC and Middle East requirements. Partners have the flexibility to extend and add their own templates. The module supports free-form text and policy creation, allowing organizations to tailor compliance processes to their specific needs. Users can easily export compliance data as XHTML, facilitating reporting and sharing. This new module represents a significant step forward in enhancing compliance capabilities within MC4S, offering a comprehensive solution for ESG and sustainability compliance needs. Why does Microsoft Taiwan want to partnership with Advantech? First, we face a different role in the corporation. Microsoft will aim at chief sustainability officers to give them an overview of company sustainability with all three ESG scopes: supply chain management and data collection, governance, and analytics. And Advantech provides more proactive energy-saving solutions to control edge machines. They may be more oriented to factory managers and general affairs personnel. And we can use the built-in data connector to integrate the Advantech's system data into Microsoft Sustainability Manager. Combine Advantech and Microsoft solutions, we can enable Chief Sustainability Officer to have a comprehensive organizational ESG perspective and complete CSRD and other operational reportings. Our partnership with Advantech emphasizes the equation, energy saving equals decarbonization, which in turn equals cost saving. When you have a smart solution to saving energy, that means you don't need to purchase more electricity. When you reduce the energy usage, that means you reduce the carbon emission. Then your company will have a good sustainable position to help companies meet regulatory requirements in different countries or industries. This is a very positive cycle to protect our planet. Like I mentioned, Advantech's iEMS technology offers a comprehensive smart energy solution for corporate carbon asset management, ISO 14064, ISO 14067, energy management, ISO 50001, HVAC and compressed air efficiency, and motor efficiency. It is the ideal partner for global enterprises on their journey to carbon neutrality, providing solutions for carbon and energy management in their pursuit of sustainability. What an amazing solution value of iEMS. The iEMS solutions bring a lot of benefits from multiple views. Energy savings ranging from 5% to 50%. A whopping 90% improvement in management efficiency. Extension of equipment lifetime by 10% to 30%. Enhanced maintenance efficiency, manpower cost savings, and a significant increase in operation safety. In collaboration with Advantech, we've created a synergy that amplifies our sustainability efforts. By integrating original sensor data with our cloud solutions, we are setting new standards in energy saving and sustainability. By integrating Advantech solutions with Microsoft's technology, we present a unified front for energy saving and sustainability. Our combined efforts aim to pave the way for a greener, more sustainable future. Together, with the right tools and partnerships, we can make strides towards a sustainable future. Let's work hand in hand to make this vision a reality. Thank you for watching.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for Daniel's introductions and cooperate with Microsoft and Advantech to help you to monitoring your carbon emission more efficiently. Next, I think that to see all of the product and solutions introduction, now we will bring you some of the successful case we have in Turkey. Let's welcome our key account manager, Tenzile, and our KA partners, Vanguard Energy, to introduce the successful case in the solar energy area. Okay, let's welcome.
Hello everyone, welcome to join Green Energy webinar today. This is Tenzile from Advantech Turkey. I am working as Power and Energy Sector Business Development Manager. Today, I am going to share with you Turkey energy market insights with our DFSI partner Vars Energy. After me, Mr. Mehmet Horat will continue the real practice of energy saving in solar power industry in Turkey. Okay, let's start with my agenda. In today's webinar, I will start the renewable energy overview. Then, continue to the current power systems and future energy management. As the lastly, power energy application will be on my side. My first slide is renewable energy overview for Turkey. I would like to brief about Turkey's renewable energy sector. Turkey is 6th of European and 12th largest renewable energy of the world. Turkey is also planning to net zero commitment by 2053. EV transportation sector is going to have 100 gigawatts in Turkey except battery energy storage systems. It means that it will be very huge potential in Turkey. Next page will be about Turkey's current power systems and future energy management. First of all, let's see our structure of Turkey's power systems. Production site is EUH. Transmission utility is TEİAŞ. Distribution site have 21 distributor private companies. And retail and regulated utilities are EPDK and EPİAŞ. These institutions are the rule makers in Turkey. It means decision makers. For future energy management, you will see two rising sectors, one of EV charge stations and the other one is the battery energy solutions. Several factors contribute to the growing interest in energy storage and EV in Turkey. Let's take a look about the factors that make it easier for future energy management. One of them is the reduced emissions. This is particularly important in addressing climate change and improving air quality in urban areas. Energy efficiency, it means higher efficiency. The other one is the lower operating costs. We know very well that EVs often have lower operating costs per mile compared to the traditional vehicles. Government incentives, subsidies and tax credits. These incentives can make EVs more financially attractive to consumers. Scalability. A scalable BESS or EVs for future growth and development with Advantech IoT products, of course. The other one is the connectivity. BESS and EVs needs to utilize reliable and secure communication infrastructure. Advantech's IoT sensing, computing, and communications products enable the users to create a well-connected system for their BESS or EV without worrying about the system integration. It's very important for the continuity. The another one is the remote device management and monitoring. It's very critical. These are only some of important topics about benefits of BESS and EVs increases of the sector. That's why it's important to use Advantech solutions on these devices. The next page will be about application for digital substation of SCADA server. I would like to brief about the project background and requirements. Substation automation server for efficiency, reliability, and flexibility of power distribution and transmission. System description is industrial SCADA server and power substations. We also used an AC/DC input single or redundant power supply and server mainboard on the systems. All of the configuration and components have by Advantech products. Very critical information. Why prefer Advantech? It's easy because Advantech offers special requirements for utility substations, specifications and spec'ing, and places manufacturer supplier in Turkey. This is the best important reason. Also, another advantage is Advantech provides RMA service in Turkey for SI and utility TIH site for servicing the IEC protocols. We recognize and know very well in the future importance vPAC. According to vPAC conditions, it is still in progress by utility in Turkey. We are aiming to passing for new generation CPUs and have funnels 2 ERPs and switches included in PRP card. It's very critical. Of course, it will be prepared to 2025. The last page on my presentation, application for future energy management in Turkey. Here is site provided by ECU 1 or 2 series and EdgeLink 365 have IEC 104 and IEC 61850 protocols. This protocol is very critical and it's standard protocol for electrical devices. MQTT Modbus, new communication protocols for energy sites. Besides energy will be support for MQTT and Modbus protocol. Monitoring. ECU series providing all of the above protocols with combines, make customization to use customer needs via DFSI software sources on EdgeLink 365. Of course, another benefit is the cost effective. It must be an available lead time. You can see on the right side of the architecture of Shima, and another will be used the products, the EKI, UNO, Edge Computing, and ADAM IO modules. Our targeted sectors, renewable energy, oil and gas automation, distributed solar EMS, BESS, and EV, and wind power EMS. Here is all my side of presentation. Thank you very much for listening to me. Game password is energy. Now we are going to listen to our DFSI partner, Vars Energy from Turkey. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thank you Mrs. Tenzle for introducing me. I am founder and general manager of Vars Energy. Vars Energy is an energy company founded in Ankara of Turkey in 2022. Scope of company is power plant monitoring systems, protection relays, training, and consultancy services. In this webinar, I will share our studies, SCADA and monitoring systems on power plants. The basic characteristic of monitoring applications should have following features: generators, inverters, intelligent electronic devices can be monitored and controlled by SCADA. SCADA applications should monitor weather stations and should send alarm notification, periodic reports to customer. Application should have mobile version, and also system can send collected data to third-party applications by using suitable communication protocol. We are using Advantech Buzz EdgeLink for all projects. Advantech Echo 1051 was used to move data from the edge to the data center too. We can say that main architecture of SCADA is based on the Advantech products. Advantech was Edgelink and Echo 1051 giving us followed advantage. We can say that using was Edgelink giving us the flexibility at data collection, monitoring, reporting, and also alarm notifications. Application development time reduced by using no-code modules of the Edgelink. So scaling and cloning of the system getting more easy to us. Cost efficiency of the system make us more challenging at the market. The field service is getting lower time, so after sales cost decreases in our projects. And total of these features increases customer satisfaction and make decrease total cost of the system. I would like to share 3 different type projects with you. These are PV plant monitoring and control application, PV plant battery storage system monitor and control application, R&D focused EV charger monitor and control application. Our first project is high power PV power plant monitoring system. Power plant installed to the meet internal energy needs of a cement factory. Production power of the power plant is 17.5 MW. The power plant has 4 central inverters, 59 DC boxes, 4 transformer plus 2 weather stations. The monitoring system and power plants came into operation in March 2022. Annual production capacity of the power plant is 36 GWh. In our projects, server is hosted on site. Cloud architecture was not used in the project due to customer requests. All the data is recorded on the internal memory. Memory consumption is around 40 GB per year. Alarm notification was sent by using Line, which is a message application for mobile phones. Modbus, MQTT, IS-104 protocols were used in the field. Another project is battery-supported PV power plant monitoring and control application. In this project, the output power of the system is 342 kW. String and hybrid type inverters have been used in the project. Battery energy storage system located in the 2 different locations. The total capacity of the system is 400 kWh. There are also 2 separate weather stations. Annual energy production is 700 MWh. In the project, the server hosted on site and installed in a virtual machine. Local dashboard is 2-dimensional and all the data is recorded on the internal hard disk. Annual data recording is around 5 GB. Alarm notification made it by email due to customer request. Modbus, MQTT, IS-104 were used in the project too. The third project includes 2 EV charging stations. Stations fed by PV, grid and battery. Total power is 1.2 MW. Total capacity of battery is 200 kWh. There are also 2 containers in the project. The goal of the project is monitor all the system and report power generations, consumptions, and also system efficiency. The SCADA and data collection hardware and software used in all these systems are chosen by Advantech. All the projects have serving safely the customer for years. This is end of my presentation. I want to announce my password. My password is energy. I want to thank you everybody. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, did you remember the password? The password is, I will repeat here. Okay, so thank you for our BDM in the power energy sectors and our eco partner, Vars Energy, Mr. Mehmet, to introduce us the application of in the solar energy.
Manager Cindy. Today
now,
I'm going to introduce you the renewable energy business opportunity. So let's talk about the trend of renewable energies. The shift toward green energy is not just a passing trend, it's a global movement reshaping the energy landscape. We see four trends driving this transformation. The first is digitalization. The increased use of digital technology, including smart grids and IoT sensors, for efficient energy production, distribution, and consumption. The second is decarbonization. The need to reduce carbon emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. The third is decentralization, moving away from centralized power plants and embracing distributed energy sources like rooftop solar panels and small wind turbines. The last is democratization, making energy resource, this kind of green energy, accessible and affordable for all of the people, ensuring that no one is left behind of this journey. For this trend are promising, we also face several challenges on the road to a sustainable energy future. Due to the diverse location of renewable energy sources, it adds complexity to managed and monitoring. Integrating green energy into existing energy grid can be complex, requiring upgrades and modernization to maintain grid stability and reliability. And the renewable energy sources like solar and wind are intermittent, leading to fluctuation in energy supply. You can see there are a diverse range of renewable energy sources, including solar panel, wind turbines, and battery storage. These are all the distributed energy resource in the field, and it need to be monitored. The IoT gateway plays important role to act as the bridge between the distributed energy resource to the central energy management system. They collect data, manage energy flows, and enable seamless communication, ensuring that energy production and distribution are optimized. I'm glad to introduce you the ECU1 series. These are our IoT gateways. These are capable of multiple protocol conversion, seamless cloud communication, data pre-processing, and provide flexible I/O extension. They are two powerful software services that are the core of our IoT gateway solution, the H-Link and H-Hub. H-Link is our gateway points of contact with the edge. It's responsible for edge connectivity, allowing us to collect data from various devices, regardless the protocol they use. This is a crucial function because, as we all know, devices in the field often speak different languages. H-Link bridged the communication gap, converting these protocols and seamless connecting with the cloud. On other side of the communication spectrum is H-Hub. It's our central cloud service. Thanks of it as the gathering point for all the data and edge information that H-Link collects. H-Hub serves as a hub for data aggregation and analysis, and it also enables remote management and for the distributed devices. Here is the architecture of the H-Link. It's designed to supporting multiple communication protocols, including Modbus, OPC UA, PLC driver, BACnet, and also a range of energy-related protocols, such as DMP3 or IEC 104. This extensive protocol support ensures that AgeLink can communicate with a wide array of devices. AgeLink also offers versatile cloud connectivity options. It can communicate with various cloud platforms using MQTT protocol, ensuring that your data is securely transmitted to the cloud for analysis, storage, and remote access. And there is more. AgeLink supports OpenVPN as well, adding an additional layer of security to your data transmission. This ensures that your data is not only accessible by cloud services, but also by your own network systems through a secure VPN connection. This flexibility ensures that your data remains private, secure, and protected during its journey from the edge to the cloud and IT servers. Okay. The others are the features that our IoT gateway can provide it to you, like the industrial grade design and high reliability. So it's long MTBF compliance with different national regulations, support wide operating temperature range, and built-in RTC battery, watchdog, and the security chipset TPM. These all combined together to create a gateway solution that is robust, dependable, and well suited for the challenge of industrial environments. Thanks to the AgeLink software, the ECU1 can achieve the most critical aspects as being a gateway, edge-to-cloud communication. It enables seamless protocol conversion, ensuring that the gateway can communicate with a wide array of devices, and effortless communication with a public cloud or private IT server. The ECU1 series is built on an open and standard platform with a Linux environment. This open source approach opens the door to endless possibility. It means you can harness the full potential of this gateway, modify and customize it according to your specific needs, and enjoy a platform that is both stable and adaptable. Whether you are prefers in C language, Python, or prefer third-party library, you have a freedom to develop your own application. This flexibility empowers you to create tailor-made solution that perfectly align with your own industrial process and requirements. The ECU1 series is equipped with multiple communication interfaces and comprehensive product portfolio. The IoT gateway are also certified by the giant cloud service provider, Microsoft Azure and Amazon AWS. So it's compatible with Azure IoT Edge and Greengrass environment, which enables seamless edge-to-cloud collaboration infrastructure. One of the standout model within our IoT gateways, the ECU 150. At the heart of the ECU 150 is its flexible modular design. This forward-thinking approach optimizes the product size while preserving the essential expansion flexibility. That's crucial in dynamic industrial environment. And this means you get a compact yet adaptable solution that can grow with your evolving needs. You can choose a second stack expansion kit with Wi-Fi, and 4G LTE communication together, or choose 5G communication. And there's other more I/O expansion, like adding on our iDoor expansion modules. These modules, such as serial ports and CAN port, provides you with the freedom to customize the gateway to match your own unique requirement. While mass deploying gateways in the field, the Central Cloud Service, HHub, plays the critical role for remote monitoring and management. It supports OTA updates and remote deployment of the configured HLink project file to the gateways. This feature eliminates the need for manual updates, reduce downtime, and saving your valuable time and resources. Whether you are in need of a gateway for distributed energy, or say the equipments, factory and machinery, facility energy management, the ECU IoT gateway stands as a dependable choice. Let's focus on the application of distributed energy resource today. In the dynamic landscape of a smart grid, a central player often operates behind the meter. This crucial role is fulfilled by a gateway. The term behind the meter implies that this gateway operates in the distributed energy resource or customer side after the energy meter that measures electricity generation and consumption. The gateway acts as a communication hub supporting various electric power system protocols. For example, CAN bus for battery management systems, IEC 61850, DMP3, IEC 104 for various energy management systems, and OCPP for charging station communication. Let's delve deeper into the application of one typical green energy, the BESS, battery energy storage system. A typical BESS is more than just a battery. It's an combination of subsystems. This includes the energy management systems, power conversion system, energy control system, and battery management system. So you can imagine there are different kinds of subsystems. Each of these subsystems has a critical role to play in the overall functionality. Now consider the complexity that arises when these subsystems use various communication protocols and physical interfaces. They often speak different languages, making smooth communication and data exchange a significant challenge. This is where the communication gateway steps in to bridge these gaps. The BESS scales can be categorized into small scale, the industrial and commercial levels, as well as large scale grid level systems. We recommend entry level gateway, the ECU 1051, ECU 1252, or ECU 1260, depending on the need of communication interfaces and performance. As to large-scale system, the ECU 1370 is designed specially for it and comes equipped with highly integrated I/O interfaces and high performance. So you can choose from our broad product portfolios to suit your own requirement. And more application will be introduced by other sections. And my part ends up here, and well, thank you for your listening. Today for the this section, we have a game password. That word is with, W-I-T-H, with. Thank you, and hope we can have more interactions and introduce Advantech solutions in the future.
Cindy, so the networking devices and network is the base and to develop the power and energy management. Next, we would like to introduce Scott Sun, the PDM in Taiwan, to introduce the renewable energy business opportunities. Let's welcome.
Hello, everyone. I'm Scott, Product Manager from Advantech Industrial IoT Group. I'm honored to be the speaker of this webinar today. You all know ESG or RE100 are hot topics in worldwide. They will require specific contribution from business, especially large enterprises, in the adoption of self-generation solution that will allow them to manage their own energy needs through the construction of microgrid. Back to this energy chain, in my session, we'll focus on solar power with Advantech solution. We also highlight some applications in each segment. Those are the projects we are working together with worldwide system integrators. Solar power generation systems are gradually developed from large-scale ground stations to small ones in the early days. Many companies in Europe and the United States have begun to provide overall self-power supply solution from residential power generation and energy storage. For example, IKEA has also begun to provide residential solar power generation solution in several countries. How to manage such a decentralized system and provide instant operation and maintenance services are very important issues after the solar system is installed. Efficient management and the provision of real-time data can bring high value to the solar system and even provide an assessment of the location of new solar farm in the future. As digitalization revolution the renewable energy sector, IoT technology will be very vital to manage the growing complexity of the energy generation and the distributions. Hence, those innovations will help renewable energy providers improve efficiency and reduce cost. Like one solar power system field to control solution can help to unify the protocol and provide the reliable connectivity, establish the stable and trustable data paths for each remote site. The first project we share here is concentrated solar power in China. It is a thermal storage system that compensates for variation in the supply of solar energy over a single day. As a result, this system continues to generate electricity and supply power during cloudy or raining days, as well as during the nighttime. One special feature is the facility's use of mirrors, taking out 140 square meters, consisting of 53,000 mirrors, arranged in a circle configuration around the heat observation tower, which can be seen on the Google Map. Key to the operation is a stable and reliable network structure. Therefore, the solar thermal power technology company not only require a high stable network solution to transmit control instructions, but also demanding network equipment with backup and management functions to ensure uninterruptible command and control. Advantech EKI series manages switches and WebSS NMS network management software provide a hardware and software integration solution. This is an important guarantee for system operations. Here, we share another case that was the world's largest single solar farm with a total installation capacity of nearly 1.2 gigawatt. All data collection, network infrastructure, and SCADA computers are using Advantech solutions. The whole system is divided into 10 subsystems. Each of them has its own ring network to connect with the front-end data collection gateway. The ECU 1000 series is used here, and the Modbus RTU is used for the southbound communication to collect the data from the field inverters, electricity meters, and other equipment. On the other hand, the industrial protocol and the SCADA are used for transmission. Located in Abu Dhabi, the harsh climate environment required Advantech industrial-grade hardware to provide stable and reliable operation to meet the continuity of data collection. With many solar generator equipment providers operating in a highly comprehensive market, communication protocol tend to vary between products like inverter, junction box, and the electricity meters. Data collection through require a multi-protocol gateway that unify energy data on a cloud platform for remote monitoring. In addition to data collection, data transmission is also an important component of overall process. We set up the demo site in our Lincoln Smart Campus, implementing the energy management system, deploying the ECU gateway, and installing EKI unmanaged switch to transfer the data to the central monitoring system, enable remote monitoring with immediately visitable data. This is another distributed solar power generation system our partner built. They have station-level SCADA system first. Our embedded computer show the dashboard at the field site and collect the data from the serial devices and the sensors. The ECU gateway play the data loader and the gateway rule. It also publish the data to the cloud. We separate the hardware devices to process and store the data. It makes sure the highest reliability of the whole communication. The end user also requires a central management platform. That's why we need one serial router in station. It set up a robust communication channel between station and the cloud. Let me recap this session. The construction of renewable energy is booming due to the net zero and ESG topic. There will be huge remote operation and maintenance opportunity with local system integrator and the related equipment maker. Those edge solutions are not only our core competence, and also all are the best solution we can offer from one company. That advantage, it will save your time and cost to negotiate to the different component vendor one by one. Here is my today's sharing. Thank you for your participation. As you can see, my password is IIoT.
Well, thank you, Scott. So next but not least, let's welcome Casper. Advantech HQ product manager, to introduce to exploring the benefit of a smart substation. Let's welcome Casper. Thank you.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Casper Chen, product manager responsible for overseeing the global operations of power substation automation server business. Today, I'm glad to share the advantage that arise when power substations undergo the transformative process of digitalization and virtualization. On this slide, we will observe a considerable and rapid expansion in energy demand, yet a sustained share roughly 80 to 90% recently comes from traditional sources like oil, coal, gas, and nuclear. The goal of achieving a net zero policy by 2050 seems a distant in light of situation. The crucial challenge involves closing the significant gap between renewable energy sources and the escalating demand for energy, addressing how we can assist utilities in efficiently managing renewable energy and power transmission stands as pivotal topic, presenting both challenges and opportunities, especially the backbone transmission of power substation. Discussing conventional substations, the equipment and solution typically originate from various suppliers. It functions when power sources and data flow in unidirectional manner. However, as more distributed energy sources become integrated into this infrastructure, it starts to feel a bit bulky. Before delving into the virtualization solution, let's first grab the power substation requirements. The fundamental needs are encapsulated in R plus S, indicate reliability, redundancy, and resilience. Cybersecurity also gains significance in the digitalization process. Any new technology must undergo confirmation before implementation in the field. Beyond the basic requirement, the cost, including devices, cabling, labor, and footprint, and the efficiency of data management, accompanying the introduction of new technology, lays precisely our focus today. How our reliable platform and the virtualization technology can meet the requirements and enhance the efficiency of power substation. So let's talk about the virtualization. So what is virtualization? Actually, virtualization enables hardware resource of a single computer, processor, memory, storage, and more to be divided into multiple virtual computers. However, the technology is not new in the IT world, but we have learned a significant change because they can guarantee the real-time performance. It's very important when we talk about the protection application. So you can see in the slide, an original current substation. They have like a video surveillance, firewall, add-ons, data application, all of them need like a separate machine with the IED. But now with our technology, you can integrate all the IED, all the functions into a single server, and it can help us to significantly to reduce the cost and the footprint and so on I just mentioned in the previous slide. So it's not a concept. Actually, it's on the way, and we already put our server into the substation field in the test, in the validation. So in the near future, we can foresee more and more utility and the global SI will adopt this solution for the utility company. So let's talk more about the real-time performance. We cooperate with our strategic partner, VMware. So VMware will run the test on the ECU platform. So they run with the bare material and with their supervised with different numbers of the virtual machine. You can see this slide. They can guarantee the real-time performance, the latency under the 120 microseconds with a long duration test. So it encourages the utility and the global SI to adapt the new technology. So not only for the real, but also for the real-time performance. So we talk about the vPAC. As previous the discussion, the virtualization and the new technology is difficult to achieve by the single supplier. So the vPAC analysis is trying to collect all the substation players. The purpose of this analysis is to drive standard-based, open, interoperable, and secure software-defined architecture to host protection, automation, and the control solution for power substation. So you can see like utility, the South California Edison and SRP already joined, and the ABB, GE, Vernova, Schneider, Siemens Energy also aware this kind of the trend, so they join the list analysis. As for the Advantech, as the founding member, also called with our strategic partners and the global SI as well to provide the virtual protection solution in the market. So like ABB, they offer the virtual protection related solution last year. So you can see the material in their website, also from their white paper. They go with the Advantech server to achieve the real-time performance requirement. Like a GE Illumina also provide this solution as well. And Siemens WinCC virtualization. So according to the global SI, they are working on the virtualization technology because they foresee the trend and they can see the huge advantage for the utility company. For the vPAC architecture, for the server point of view, the CSP is common substation platform. The Advantech provide a reliable common substation platform to the hypervisor provider like VMware, KVN, Hyper-V, OpenStack, and so on. They can build their hypervisor solution on the substation platform and the SI and the ISV for protection SI. They also can build up their application on our platform based on the virtual machine. So it can also cover like the failover when once the virtual machine goes down, the other virtual machine will start immediately. So let's talk about our ECU product portfolio. For the ECU, we provide a comprehensive product portfolio. Start from the ECU 4784. It already proven by the GE, Hitachi Energy, ABB, Siemens, and the Schneider. We cooperate with them for a long time, and we see the trend in the future. So we also launched the ECU 579 2 years ago, and we keep working with our partner because we can offer the fan-based system as well with equipped with like 20 cores to offer the capability for the virtual machine provider. and we combine 2 of them to the ECU 479 with a fanless system, but with more computing power and cores. So this is my last page. It indicates the features, but the most important things we can comply with the IEC 61850 and IEEE 1613 to offer the reliable system platform to the utility company and the global SI. So if you have any good idea or any question, please don't hesitate to contact with me. Thank you for your join today. Bye-bye.
So thank you for every expert and every partner's join of our webinar. I believe that after this webinar, the ESG and the net zero policy will not be only the slogan, but the possibility to be reality. So now I would like to highlight again that for today's event, please share with your suggestion and your to fill our questionnaire. We would like to know your feedback. Your feedback is really important for us to upgrade our contents and our arrangements. Please make your wish list. And we are looking forward to see you next year. And now is the time for the Q&A. So we have received some of the questions. It's really interesting. We have a lot of friends from the Africa. They are really care about looking forward of the development in Africa. So I will read some of the questions we have received from the Slido. The first one is how you cooperating the African business with limited capacities to seize energy management opportunity in the face of climate change impact. Really good questions. And the next one will be in terms of the capacitating the lower middle income country, more especially in Africa. What could be your successful stories in relations to opportunity in the energy management? And the third one, how could we interconnect these world-based solutions on the ground, which is presenting nicely in the webinar, such as the friend from the Ethiopia. I wish I would know all of your names and the country. I think there are some of the friends are asking in the Slido as well, but we will focus on these three questions, which is focusing on the Africa development. So I would say that for the ESG and the power management systems and the solutions, as you know, that it will be the solution from the top to the bottom. So let's start with the United Nations ideas to implement these net zero policies, and then go for the government and the government budgeting project to realize such solutions. So we will say that it will be from the like global ideas to the government and to the key solution providers, and to duplicate it to realize the solution into the enterprise and to the small and medium business. So this is what we need to do from the top to the bottom. We need to change the policies from the African partners, and this is what the Advantech and other top supplier, solution suppliers are doing. The Siemens, Schneider, no matter it's a Hitachi, and every of the worldwide famous power energy management system solution provider. We are introducing our solutions like what we have in the webinar, or you have in the roadshow or in the exhibitions, to introduce this, the benefit to minimize the emission, carbon emission, and all the benefit to monitoring your power management systems. So what now we are doing is to introduce this benefit to us and to realize it into a different project. And we are expecting the key enterprises could use the solution to make the energy application more efficiently and then to duplicate in a small medium business. So it will need the cooperation with the solution provider, the system integrator, and the government tender to be implicated to the Africa. So this is what we are trying to do. So what you can do is also introduce your solutions with your the system integrator in the regions and your distribution partners in the region to know the benefits of this solution. And the effect will not be in the short time. It's all target for the whole human beings in the 2050. So we have decades to go. So I'm appreciative for the friends in Africa to be focused on these topics, and don't be hurry, and Advantech will be with you. If you have any questions, please contact us through the email. I will show it in the slide and you can feel free to contact with us. So I think that I'll combine these three questions together with this answer.